In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in Google Docs. If you've added a picture to a document and it looks too large or too small, don't worry. Google Docs makes it very easy to adjust the size of an image right inside your document, and you can do it in just a few moments. To get started, go to your Google Doc. Open the document where your image is already placed or where you plan to work with the image. Once you're inside the document, scroll until you can clearly see the image you want to resize. It helps to make sure the image is fully visible on your screen so you can adjust it more accurately. Next, click on the image. When you select it, Google Docs will highlight the picture and show small handles around the edges and corners. This is how you know the image is active and ready to be edited. If you don't see those handles right away, just click the image once more to make sure it's selected. Now click one of the corners and drag to resize the image. This is the most important part. Using a corner handle helps keep the image proportionate, which means it won't look stretched or squished as you make it larger or smaller. Drag outward if you want to enlarge the image, or drag inward if you want to reduce its size. Move slowly so you can get the exact dimensions you want. As you resize, keep an eye on how the image fits with the rest of your document. You want it to look balanced on the page and not overwhelm the surrounding text. If the image is part of a report, presentation draft, or school project, making it the right size can help your document look cleaner and more professional. If you don't like the size after adjusting it, you can simply click and drag the corner again until it looks right. Google Docs is flexible, so you can make small corrections as needed. That's all there is to it. Open your Google Doc, click the image, and drag one of the corners to resize it. It's a quick and simple way to make your document look exactly the way you want. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes second nature. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you resize images in Google Docs with confidence.